This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 and we're going to show you how to set the screen lock time. So in this case, if you swipe up from the bottom and open your apps, you can go to settings, look for the gear, touch that, and now you might think that you go to lock screen to set the screen lock time, but you actually go to display. So if you touch this, you'll see under here, screen timeout. So that's the time before the screen locks. So if you click this, you can see you have a choice of 15 seconds, 30 seconds, etc. Let's just do 5 minutes. And so that is to basically set, if you put it down, don't touch the phone, how soon is it going to turn the screen off? Or in this case, if I put it here and I'm talking, how soon before it shuts off or before I have to touch it again. So while we're here, let's also look at that previous screen, which is the screen lock. So this is actually how you turn the screen lock on and off, and you set the settings for it. So basically, go to screen lock type, and this basically is not just the screen lock, but how to unlock the screen. This is what it really should be called. So if you want a password, if you want a PIN, if you want a pattern, swiping pattern, or just swipe on and off, which is what we have it set to now, which is basically zero security. So of course, don't do that. And if you want to do biometrics, like using the face scanner, similar to the Face ID on an Apple, or the fingerprint scanner, which in the case of this phone is very special because it's the ultrasonic touching the screen type. You can turn them on here as well and do all the settings for that. So we won't do that in this video, but that's where they are in case you're wondering. Also, if you can't find the settings menu like that, you can always swipe down from the bottom and then basically click on the little gear here as well next to the front-facing camera, and you go back to that display. So again, go to display and it's down here, right there. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Definitely check out other how-to videos for the Samsung Galaxy S10, as well as many other phones here on Howtechs. Thanks and bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. SIM card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also